Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Few days back, the price line of Verasity broke out the resistance of the channel. Right now, it is testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line is going to start a move towards the upside from here, or we are going to re-enter this channel to test the support again. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line broke out this resistance here on 7th of Feb. And it is testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support. That is very nice gesture, because whenever the price line breaks out any big resistance, then normally it retests the previous resistance as a support before the next move towards the upside. Right now, Verasity also doing so, and if this test will be successful, then we can expect a powerful reversal move towards the upside after a successful retest. Now, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator on the same daily time frame chart, previously when we were moving inside this channel, then whenever we were reaching the support and the stochastic was entering the oversold zone, then after turning bullish, when the stochastic was turning bullish, the price line was also following the signal of the stochastic, and we were having a nice move towards the upside. Like here we had a nice rally. Here the price line again entered, touched here at the support of this down channel on 8th of January 2022, and you can see that the stochastic was oversold. The price line again turned bullish following the signal of the stochastic, because that was also turned bullish. Now here again it happened once more. When the stochastic was oversold, we reached the support of this down channel here on 22nd of January 2022, and again after some sideways move we started the next rally. This time we broke out the resistance of the channel. Now after breaking out, you can see while we are retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Previously we were testing this support of the channel. Right now we are testing the resistance as a support, and the stochastic has again entered the oversold zone, and we are again receiving a bull cross. Like this blue line has crossed this orange line, that is a buying signal by the stochastic. However, this support is more important than this buying signal, so we can expect that the price line may have some sideways move here and some accumulation. Then it will start the next move to the upside. But if this support, the previous resistance of the channel that is now working as a support, will be broken down, then we can move more down to test the support of the channel. But before that, we also have this support at 1.8 cents, because here we had a very nice accumulation, and that was also the support before this breakout. And it is also possible that we may test the support if we will be re-entered the channel this time. So next few hours or days are really very important for the Verasity. We are testing the support, and if this test will be successful, then a powerful reversal can be started once again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.